Nanotechnology, which involves manipulating matter at the nanoscale level, has the potential to impact a wide range of industries and create new job opportunities. Here are some ways in which nanotechnology is impacting the job market. Research and development. As nanotechnology continues to advance, there will be an increasing demand for researchers and scientists who have the skills and knowledge to develop and innovate new products and applications. Manufacturing. Nanotechnology has already led to the development of new materials and processes, and it is expected to lead to new manufacturing methods as well. This could create new job opportunities for engineers and technicians who are skilled in nanoscale manufacturing. Healthcare. Nanotechnology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling the development of new medical devices, diagnostics, and therapies. This could create new job opportunities for healthcare professionals and researchers who specialize in nanomedicine. Environmental science. Nanotechnology has the potential to address environmental challenges such as pollution and climate change. This could create new job opportunities for scientists and engineers who are skilled in nanotechnology and environmental science. Overall, nanotechnology is expected to create new job opportunities across a range of industries, but it will also require workers to have specialized skills and knowledge in order to be competitive in the job market.